decided to start. And then my exciting. Tomorrow wouldn't have worked because Kurt's going into the
So you don't like marshmallows?
Mommy, stop listening.
It's okay.
But you're a pro. Look at that.
You just slow down.
Toasted golden brown.
You can't keep eating all that chocolate and your tummy's going to be sore.
Can I have a shot of mine on fire and I'm blowing it out? Be careful, sweetie. So close. Oh, your daddy's up there.
I just say I love s'mores when I was a kid. The day I got braces, I came home and I used to make s'mores with the microwave, like microwave marshmallows.
Ready with
So I
mine,
got
mine,
braces
mine,
and I appreciate what it meant to have braces. And
Thank you.
I made this s'more, which is like the stickiest, gooeyest thing in the world, and I couldn't eat it with my own. That's a disaster. I didn't think I was ever going to get marshmallow out of my wire braces. When I had braces, yeah, it was the first meal I ate with braces. It was s'more. It's not good. It's not good. Especially when it gets cold. Yeah, exactly.
Try to get some in your mouth and not on your fingers. They have the wet. Oh, okay. I have to look over.
It's not too cold.
Much fun.
To maintain that high seven. Or is that video?
This is video.
Oh, okay. You gotta do a hand signal when it's video.
Penguin heads. Keep it
Hello.
You don't have to ask.
Hello.
Mommy, can you play water?
Ahoy there. Who's got chocolate on their face? Who's got chocolate on their face?
Max. Come on, Max.
Does Lily have chocolate on her face?
That way, Max.
Does
Max.
Right?
In there.
that wasn't a good one? Wait, it wasn't a good one. Nope. Okay.
Better?
No, I gotta get close. Pierce, no more chocolate. Graham crackers only.
Did it really not